YouTube family, it's Denise, aka Love from My Curls here, back with another video. So first and foremost, as I always say at the start of every video, what I try to say anyway, is welcome to my channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers, maybe my new subscribers today, and any new viewers watching my video today. So welcome. My channel is dedicated to my curly hair journey. I might be incorporating some other topics along the way, but mainly my channel has been dedicated to product reviews, really, you know, talking about my experience of the products that I like to use on my hair. And my hair has changed along the way because my hair is now highlighted and color treated. So I've had to change my products slightly, but yeah, mainly is about the products that I like to use and how I use them, really, and just talking about the ingredients and the price point. So that's what it's mainly all about. So welcome. So today I wanted to do a product review on a couple products actually from a particular line and a particular brand. And I've heard a few things, positive things really, mainly about this brand. And I was thinking it should be because of the price point is, it's quite, so I had to really think twice about this one. I was going back and forth as to whether I wanted to go for it or not. Because obviously I will talk about the price point a little bit later. But mainly I just thought to myself, you know what? I am a product junkie, and you know I do want to do reviews on products that you know are new out there, or ones that have been heavily reviewed and have positive reviews actually, and want to try them out myself. And particularly this line is all to do with strengthening and repair. So again, my hair is color treated and highlighted, so I thought it would be a good one for me to try, really. So I've actually got a leave-in conditioner and a mask here. I wanted to go for a leave-in conditioner because it's something that I can leave in my hair. And I actually reached out to the company as well, and I can actually use it in between wash days as well. So I thought that was quite a positive point. Also, the ingredients is quite nice, and it's quite rich actually. So obviously I will be talking about that in a moment. And I wanted to go for a mask because I do love a good mask. I think a mask can really be a game changer when it comes to like your routine, whether your hair is really dry, damaged. If you use a good mask consistently, then it can really change the vibrancy of your hair. Obviously, it can improve it and improve the health of it, really, mainly. So that's why I wanted to get a mask as well. So the brand, you might be wondering, is called Adwoa. Hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly, but from looking at watching a few videos on the brand, that's how, you know, some people have pronounced it. And I've actually got the Blue Tansy line as well. So so I firstly got, turn off my light, I firstly got the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioning Styler, which looks like this. So when it comes to this leave-in, it strengthens and repairs, and for damaged or color treated hair. So again, I thought that would be a good one for me to try. This is not how it looks at the top. I actually broke the top. The top bit has a pump, but I actually dropped it. So so I kind of broke that off, unfortunately. But so this is really nice. In terms of the ingredients, we've got shea butter, we've got aloe leaf juice, we've got jojoba oil, seed oil, we've got blue tansy flower oil, we've got bamboo extract, hydrolyzed quinoa, which is obviously the protein element to this. We've got sea kelp, slippery elm, horsetail, mango seed butter, vitamin E. So so this is one of the thickest leave-in conditioners that I've tried, really. So if I do the consistency, it's even a little bit hard to get out because it is that thick. Oh gosh, it's gone everywhere. So it looks like this. So you can kind of see it. and it doesn't slip off my hand. I mean, literally I can just do that to my hand and it's not going anywhere. So yeah, and in terms of the smell, it just smells all flowery and floral. So again, it might be the Blue Tansy flower oil that it's referring to. I mean, in terms of why it smells like this. So yeah, so it smells really, really, really good. Oh, it smells really, really nice actually. Very, very nice. I don't want to waste anything, so I am putting this back, and obviously I can use it on dry hair, so I'm literally just going to use it at the back of my hair, a little bit there. So yeah, so this is really, really nice. It feels really, really rich. It doesn't feel too greasy, and it really moisturizes your hair. It's quite a heavy leave-in conditioner in my opinion. I think I used a bit too much. I'm a little bit heavy-handed when it comes to my products. I think I used a little bit too much. So I felt that my hair was a little bit weighed down because my hair is quite fine. So yeah, so it was a little bit weighed down. So again, when I use it again, I will be using a little bit, only a small amount really. And what does the directions actually say? Apply the Blue Tansy leave-in conditioner, style it on wet, damp or dry hair. Okay, it doesn't actually say how much to use, but it says to rake this through your hair until it dissolves. So okay. But yeah, it's really, really, really nice. And you might be wondering now how much this actually costs. So, ugh. So I paid between 40 to £50. I know. On a leave-in conditioner, right? Crazy madness. But I thought, you know what? Let me try. And to be honest, it is a very, very good leave-in conditioner. I can't even fault it. The detangling properties are there. It makes your hair feel moisturized. It actually does add a tiny bit of hold from my hair personally. It's obviously when it says the style element, I get that. Obviously, it adds a little bit of strength because it has the hydrolyzed quinoa. It smells nice. It has that nice rich consistency. It has some nice quality ingredients in it as well. So yeah, so it is. Oh, it is. Yeah, the price point is not great. But in terms of actually the experience I've had with this leave-in conditioner, I can't really fault it. I've just got to make sure that next time when I use it, I use a little bit less, to be honest, because I was a little bit heavy-handed, as I did mention. And I've been using it on my daughter's hair as well, and it's really, I mean, it's kept my daughter's hair really moisturized. I do seal her hair in though with a little bit of oil obviously on top of the leave-in, but it does feel nice. It's just rich enough actually for me to just use a leave-in on her hair after she's washed her hair, and then to seal it in with the oil because it's just that rich. It's like really creamy. So yeah, so I really, really like this. I would definitely recommend trying it out. Obviously, if you're on a tight budget, you might not want to go for this because it is quite expensive. However, in terms of the amount that you get is 14 fluid ounces. But again, because it's so thick, you just really, really don't need that much. And obviously, depending on the thickness of your hair and the length, obviously you might need to use more. But it's just so rich. I mean, I don't know, even like my hands, obviously the lighting, but my hands are a little bit shiny because it just got those nice butters in it and those nice oils. So it's really, really good. I can't really fault it. I love it. Um, the next one I have here is the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy reparative mask, if I've even pronounced that right. So it looks like this. Yeah, so I must say I'm liking this size. I literally look. I mean, it is quite heavy. It's quite heavy. It's 16 fluid ounces. So the amount of money that you're paying for this, I'm glad that it is coming this size because this is a good big, big size. And in terms of the this is so thick. Look, literally, look at that. Like literally, look at that. It just reminds me of like a I can't think of it, like a, yeah, like a paste. Oh, I don't know. It wasn't on the tip of my tongue actually, but now I can't think. But no, it's just really nice. I mean, look, it's just, oh, look at that. That is just thick, thick, thick. That is thick. Oh, and it feels so nice. Again, it feels really buttery and smooth. It smells exactly, for me, very similar to the leave-in. Just that kind of like floral smell, earthy, quite earthy as well. And in terms of the what it says, again, it's for damaged or color treated hair. So again, one that I definitely wanted to try. In terms of the ingredients, it's got shea butter in it as well. It's got the castor seed oil. It's got grapeseed oil, and these are quite high up in the ingredients list as well. Moroccan lava clay. Oh, it's got the clay in it. Okay, that's why it's got that kind of consistency. Hydrolyzed quinoa protein. It's got the blue tansy flower oil. It's got the slippery elm. So again, kind of similar to the leave-in. Horsetail extract. Mango seed oil, jojoba seed. Yeah, it's got so many. I mean, to be honest, a lot of these ingredients are very, very quality ingredients, to be honest with you. And it just says apply this by sectioning your hair into parts. And I would definitely say that, yeah, definitely, because sometimes I see some videos where people are adding in their mask, and they kind of just, you know, get a big clump of it, sorry, from the tub, and then they put it on their hair and, you know, brush it through and they're good to go. But I would actually just divide up your hair just to make sure that you're really getting the true benefits of the mask. You know, every bit of hair is coated in that mask, and this is nice. I mean, this is really, really nice. My hair felt so smooth afterwards. It felt strengthened. It felt moisturized. It is quite thick, so for me, I wouldn't use it on. I've used it on towel dry hair, but I felt like I needed to wet my hair down a little bit more because it's so thick for it to really penetrate my hair. But it's really, really nice, and you do get a lot. I mean, you just don't. I mean, for this tub size, you don't even need that much. It's so thick. You just it will last you. It will definitely last you. And again, my hands are a little bit kind of like shiny again because of the butters and the oils. It's really, really nice. Price point again was between 40 and 50 pounds. So this is the most I've ever spent on a mask. I must say, I was just like, oh my gosh. But again, this is going to last me. This is definitely something that is not just like 3 uses, 4 uses, and that's it. It's going to last me a good while. So I think it is worth the money. If you've obviously got, if you don't mind spending that type of money. If you are on a budget, then obviously, you know, it's absolutely fine if you don't get this. But if you wanted to splash out a little bit more on hair products and you wanted to go for a nice quality hair mask, I would say go for this one. You know, I think it's a good line. So yeah, so that's my review really on the Adwoa Blue Tansy line. Obviously, I haven't tried everything. They've got a shampoo, but I just couldn't. I couldn't personally justify spending a lot of money on their shampoo. I think it's a clarifying shampoo, but again, I've got so many clarifying shampoos that well, a few, sorry, that I've got that work very well. And for me, spending that amount of money on a shampoo for me is just not worth it personally. But something I can leave in my hair, like the leave-in conditioner and the mask, for me was worth spending my money on. So yeah, so that's the review that I have. Again, I will include their link below. Um, because there was only a couple of sites that I could find the line on, one based in the UK, and then the actual Adwoa website itself. But luckily, I managed to find one in the UK, so that was really, really handy for me. So yeah, so that's my review. So again, probably not even again. Sorry. So what in terms of question out to all of you watching today? Have you tried this line? Have you heard much about it? Would you spend your cash on a line of this amount? You know, do let me know in the comment section below. And any recommendations that you have actually of some great, you know, leave-in conditioners and hair masks as well. I would love to know. So yeah, so I'm going to be loving you and leaving you all now. So thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video today. Really, really appreciate it. And again, you know, if you do have any questions and any recommendations for future videos, then do let me know below. So yeah, so I'm going to be signing out now. All the best. Have a lovely day wherever you're based today. Signing out. Love from my curls. Take care. Bye bye.